Hi everybody, it's Tina for Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with an entry to my 2K challenge giveaway. But first, I have to explain something. I was supposed to get an entry from Zena Pereira. It was in my informed delivery. I saw it. Had nice washi tape on the envelope, the whole 9 yards. For some reason, it did not get delivered to me. The mailman's going to check. He's thinking maybe it stuck to somebody else's mail. So we're hoping that somebody realizes this and puts it back in the mailbox and I eventually get it. So, but I'm going to put Zena down as an entry regardless because I did see it in my informed delivery. It just got lost in the mail. So Zena, just so you know, you are included. Yeah, I was like, where is it? And he's seen it too. He doesn't remember it. Well, the man delivers a lot of mail, so, but I put a request in to look for it. So, I got Zena down, just so y'all know what's going on. If you're wondering where Zena is and why she's entered. But I got an entry from Darla. So, let's open it. I don't want to wreck anything. So, let's go right here. So maybe it'll show up in a few days. But I was supposed to get it yesterday, and it wasn't in my mailbox. And I talked to him literally that same day, and he looked. He doesn't know what happened in between it being scanned and taking a picture of. Because I have informed delivery where you can see everything you're getting. All right. This is where it is. Okay. Tina, congratulations on reaching 2,000 subs. I look forward to watching your streams as you are new to me. Oh, I know most of the followers probably do mixed media. When I've not done yet. I've done hand sewing and quilting for decades. I found years ago and is my go-to art. Relaxing while I watch mixed media. Your YouTube artist wishing you great success with your channel. Darla K. Okay. Okay. So she sent me a little letter. My address. Okay. Okay, so one. Okay. Okay. So this is cute. It says Waiting. A non-traditional art and card waiting by Darla K. Cute. So there's her ATC. She put her address on a different little piece of paper. Okay. And then sent these. And some little. God, my fingers aren't working. These are cute. Zingtangle.com. They're coaster size. They're kind of cool. Put down. This is her entry. That's cute. And then a non-traditional Zing-Tangled art card. Huh. I'm going to have to look up Zing-Tangle. Because see what zingtangle.com is. It's kind of cool. So let's put Darla K down. Okay, Darla. Okay. I know $2, so I'm gonna put her full name down. Just in case. Okay, there we go. These are kind of cool. I'll have to look at what Zentangle is. I'm curious about that. I'm trying to. Well, she finds watching me in the evening relaxing. That's cool. I can relax somebody. Okay. So let's that. I have to get my bear. Riley, move my bear. Oh, there he is. My bear gets moved. The day of the drawing, I probably will not be using the bear to draw. He's just right now. So we got Zena going in. Boom. We have Darla. Boom. Thank you. I'll have both these ladies' channels linked in the description box below. But look at them looking so cool in there. There is 16 entries. My goal is at least 20. That's pretty cool. So I want to thank each and everybody that's entered, and I know I have a few coming in because I got some people ask for my address, and I got about a couple more weeks. So I hope everybody that watches this are like, oh, I got to get it sent in. So I want to thank each and every one of you as well. So good luck, ladies. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.